We all want food that's healthy, gorgeous and super quick. So I'm going to show you a whole new way to cook. Amazing meals that you can do in just 15 minutes. Time-saving tricks and multitasking to the max. You can create magic in the kitchen. We're talking big flavours, fast. And these are great meals without the guilt. Balanced, tasty and good for you. Healthy food that you can eat every day. It's delicious, nutritious, super fast food. Today, super stylish, crispy-skinned Asian salmon and an awesome Greek salad with amazing feta parcels. Bright, delicious, and listen to the crunch of this phyllo. Welcome to the 15-minute meal mindset. If you think you haven't got time to cook, then think again. First up, crispy-skinned Asian salmon to make your mouth water. I love this dish. You know, the fish is gorgeous. Putting that crispy skin on the fish is the thing that really lifts it, and the miso dressing. Just bringing the whole thing together. It's a great, great dinner. Colourful, full of life, and you're going to be really proud when you make it. The textures in this dish are so Moorish. Delicate pieces of salmon with super crispy, crunchy skin and sticky coconut and lemon rice. Plus, an amazing multi-layered miso dressing that works wonders on any greens. So, so good. Posh nosh for 4 in just 15 minutes. A Greek feast in just 15 minutes. Look at that. Bright, delicious, gorgeous. Really nice. And listen to the crunch of this phyllo. So good. Absolutely delicious. Oh, that's good. That's so good.